Barney from BBC Good Food and welcome to Boss the Basics. Today we're going to be taking things right back to the start. We're going to be making really easy cheese scones. Just a few ingredients, one of the first things you learn to make when you're baking and one of the top hitting recipes on our website. 225 grams of self-raising flour, 55 grams of cold butter diced, 100 grams of cheddar grated, and then another 20 grams of cheddar. We've got some baking powder, some cayenne pepper, and some milk. And that is going to be all the ingredients to our cheese scones. So first off, we're going to sift our dry ingredients into our bowl. We've got 225 grams of self-raising flour. We want a teaspoon of baking powder, a decent pinch of salt, and then some cayenne pepper. Good shake of that, and then we're just going to sift that into a bowl. Got my oven on 200, which is 180 fan, and I've got a large baking tray in there heating up while we make the scones. Our dry ingredients have been sifted into the bowl. To that we're going to add our butter. We've got 55 grams of cold butter which we've diced, and we're going to put that in. And we're just going to rub that together with our fingertips just to combine until we have the texture of breadcrumbs. So now we've got the texture of breadcrumbs. Can you see that? We're just going to add 100 grams of the cheese. So in the cheese goes, like so. Now the whole thing with scones is that you don't overwork the pastry. We're just trying to get the cheese combined into our scone mixture. Next, when it's still speckled with cheese, we're going to make a well in the center, and we're going to add about 80 millilitres of milk. And then we're just going to bring this together to become a dough. Now you just want this just to come together. As I said before, you're really trying to not overwork this. As soon as that's come together as a sticky dough, we're there. So now we've got our dough, we're just going to dust our surface with a bit of flour. And we're going to roll our dough out until it's about 2 centimetres thick. Cutter, that's about 8 centimetres. So there is 1 scone, 2 scones. I'm going to release that. Just 3 scones. And then we're going to re-roll our trimmings. Just make a couple more. Lastly, we don't want to waste any, see if we can get one more out of this. There we go. So we've made 5. Sheet of greaseproof paper, and put our scones on the paper and brush them. Just the tops, not the sides. Milk. Top them with more cheese. And we're just going to slide our scones onto the tray, and then we're going to put those in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're puffed up and golden. And there we have our beautiful cheese scones. They're all lovely and melty on the top. We're just going to leave them to cool a little bit before eating them. This has been Boss the Basics, cheese scones. Don't forget, stay home, get cooking.